What is going on, guys? We are here at the One Moto Show. Josh from SNS Boxer with our beautiful 1987 R100 Monza custom build. The buyer of this bike entered this bike in and it was accepted, and we are more than excited to have it here today. It looks great along next to all these other bikes. Beautiful outcome here at the One Moto Show in Portland, Oregon, 2022. Wanted to give you guys an opportunity to see the bike. Let's go around it. This is our Monza style, and with this being a 1987, it has the single-sided swing arm with the mono suspension, bolt-on rear wheel. They changed that from 85 upwards. The front fairing on this bike, we wanted to have a 70s style race feel to this, so we included the speed fairing, the half fairing on this guy, with the LED headlights and the Brembo front brakes, dual disc. Overall, beautiful bike. We're so glad it's here. We went with the gloss black with the gold pinstriping for this bike, with the gold accents on the rear suspension and the pinstripe on the rear fender. All custom fabrication. We do a couple different styles at SNS Boxer. Again, mentioning this is our Monza style. We have a bobber style, it's a little more chopped down, no front fairing, solo seat for the rear. This seat is a custom one-time kind of deal. We wanted to have a split style mono seat that you would see comparable in the bicycle racing era. So kind of a one-off on this guy. Normally we have a skateboard style seat with a cowl lip on the front for this style of bike. But again, this is the Monza, and we do a couple different variants of this. The bobbers and other kind of brat style, cafe racer styles. But we're super stoked to have it here. It's the 2022 One Moto Show in Portland, Oregon. Beautiful weekend. Weather was on our side for most of it. It was a great outcome. A lot of great guys, a lot of great bikes. We're having a blast out here. We got awards coming up, so we're excited to see if anything's going to come up with this guy for our buyer. Fingers are crossed. But again, Josh from SNS Boxer. Thanks for checking it out.